Instead of finding beautiful places, let us make your place beautiful. Art and Interiors believes in bridging the gaps between the imagination and the reality with an artistic edge. In order to spark your creative mind, we have brought the Mood Boarding Workshop. The workshop focuses upon color and texture selection, and also implementation of the ideas, in order to create an interior marvel. A 3-hour, complete creative packed session helps cultivate your dream into reality. Previous experience is not required for the session. That is why it is the best place for the people with the creative spark. The session conducted by the interior wizard, Bina Ramaya, who has an experience of more than 12 years and the expertise in the field of interior designing. Having an international exposure to designing, Bina has catered to all kinds of interior designing projects. Through Mood Board Workshop, Bina has an intention to unwind the innermost desire of one's dream of designing their place on their own. Art and Interiors presents Mood Boarding Workshop.